Welcome back. The newly elected BJP-led alliance government has kept the post-December 20th recruitment process on hold. General Administration Department has sent a circular to all the government departments to enforce the government status quo orders.
The creation and filling of the vacancies in government departments was allegedly on even after Code of Conduct came into force. Election Commission had asked for a detailed report on recruitment process and vacancies being filled in the government departments. EC had kept the controversial recruitment of candidates post 20th December on hold. BJP-led alliance government has further continued this order by GAD circular till it takes a policy decision on the matter. The circular was issued to all the departments on Friday. GAD circular says government departments who had started their interviews and tests for recruitment process after December 20th should keep the process and decisions on hold till the newly elected government takes a policy decision on the recruitment process. The recruitment process in GMC was also kept on hold as Code of Conduct was in force. The candidates were called after poll on March 12th for an interview. Considering the decision of the new government to keep the recruitment on hold, it is now unclear whether the selection process in GMC will take place on Monday. Many candidates are expected to come for the interview as the notice for the interview to be held on March 12th is still put up on the board at GMC. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured that IFFI dates will not clash with St. Xavier's feast this year onwards. With several other promises to Goans, this is one of the assurances given by the newly elected Chief Minister of Goa. Catholic community was annoyed with the Congress-led government for failing to change the IFFI schedule that clashes with the feast.
IFFI every time complicated जाता आपल्या दोन्ही साईडच्या त्याबद्दल तुम्ही किती बोलत होता या बघ आवते ना या बाय IFFI आणि साहेबाचे फेस्त हे जावचे ना क्लॅश जावचे ना जी गॅरंटी तो
Manohar Parrikar was in Kurchare on Sunday to felicitate Kurchare MLA Nilesh Cabral. When asked by the media on the IFFI schedule clashing with St. Francis Xavier's feast, he said that this year the dates will not clash. However, Goa government had suggested dates to the centre. Sources informed that IFFI Directorate will take final decision. It may be recalled that different sections of Catholic community were not happy with the previous Congress-led government over failure to change the IFFI schedule that clashed with the feast of St. Francis Xavier. However, Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting Ambika Soni had assured the people that the ministry will take into consideration the date of St. Francis Xavier's feast while planning IFFI. Parrikar, addressing the people of Kurchare, said that mining bypass will be taken on priority.
बायपासाचो तुमका दिल्ले उतर हांव दवरतलो फुडल्या 7 दिसा भितर तुमका तकलेन येतले कितें करपाचें.
Our reporter in Kurchare, Mayur Naik.
Bicholi is yet another municipality to come under BJP's flag following change in government. 6 of the councillors from Bicholi, backed by the Congress party, have now joined the party in power. This is the second municipality in North Goa following Mapsa, which has switched over from Congress to BJP since the Parrikar government has taken over. Political experts feel that this is the second major blow to Junior Rane.
6 councillors of Bicholi Municipal Council, backed by the Congress party, has joined the BJP panel of Bicholi Municipality. Now amongst 10 councillors in Bicholi Municipality, 7 are from BJP panel and 3 backed by Bicholi MLA Naresh Sawar.
दिवचले मतदार संघ व आपण दत्तक घेतलो त्याबद्दल आमकां मोठी खोस जाता की त्यांचे पूर्ण लक्ष या बिचोली मतदारसंघात विकासाच्या बाबतीत असतं आणि त्याच्याकून मोठी जी आनंदाची गोष्ट म्हणजे की एक विकास साधपाक लागून दिवचलचो सर्वांगीण विकास जावचो म्हणून आमचे हेवे देवे जे आसात आमचे जे कितें ग्रजीस आसात हे सगळे देगेक धरून आज 7 नगरसेवक जे आसात ते आमी एकठांय येयल्ले आसात.
जो बिचोलीन आमकां बेरोजगार रोजगार जाय आमकां तो तुमी सोडोवपाचो प्रयत्न करचो आनी जो रोजगार येतलो तो आमच्या लोकल लोकांक जितको फायदो जाय तसलोच रोजगार तुमी आमकां बिचोले खातीर उपलब्ध करचे आनी तेंच्यांनी आमकां उतर दिला की आपूण पालक ह्या बिचोलीचो पालक मंत्री म्हणून आसतलो तेन्ना आमी हो सगळो विकासाचे आमी पूर्ण करतले.
Riaz Beg, one of the councillors representing minority community, has joined BJP panel with a hope of development in Bicholi.
आम्ही येऊन सगळे मिळून BJP सपोर्ट करून आमचो मनोहर भाई जो पर्रीकर आसा जेणे हेजे पयलीं सुद्दां आपले कार्यकालान जे गोंयान डेव्हलपमेंट करून दाखयल्लें आसा आमी आशा बाळगता की खरोखरच तो आमच्या सगळ्या मायनॉरिटींक घेवन सुद्दां चलोन गोंयचो गोवा राज्याचो तशेंच आमच्या बिचोलचो सर्वांगीण विकास करतलो अशी आशा बाळगता.
A reporter from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
Dalgado Kokani 2011 awards will be conferred on 5 personalities who have contributed to the development of Kokani in Romi script. The award ceremony will be held at Ravindra Bhavan in Marga on 15 March. Personalities like Annie Quadros, Marcos Gonçalves, Father Casimiro de Mello, Father Pratap Naik and Alvaro Gomes will be conferred with the Dalgado Awards 2011.
Dalgad Kokani Academy has announced its annual awards to personalities who have contributed to the development of Kokani in Romi script. 5 personalities have been conferred with the awards. Father Pratap Naik has several literary books to his credit. He will be honoured by Dalgado Literary Award 2011 for his lifetime contribution to Kokani literature in Romi script. Annie Quadros is also known as the Pearl of Kokani stage. She has been active on theatre stage for last 37 years. She will be conferred with Dalgado Cultural Award 2011 for her lifetime contribution to Kokani culture. Father Casimiro de Mello will be honoured with Dalgad Heritage Award 2011. He has tirelessly worked to spread his love among the Kokani population in Mumbai. Alvaro Gomes will be conferred with Dalgado Kokani Academy's Father Freddie J. Da Costa Journalism Award 2011 for journalism in Kokani Roman script. Marcos Gonçalves will be awarded with Dalgad Youth Award 2011 for youth contribution to Kokani in Romi script. He also writes essays, stories, one-act plays and poems. The awards will be presented to the personalities at Ravindra Bhavan in Madgaon on 15th March. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.